East Palo Alto Public Works Supervisor Kevin Lewis says a narrow San Francisco area creek is a concern. Sandbag locations are set up in multiple neighborhoods. California is stepping up efforts to help more storm victims recover and rebuild. Governor Gavin Newsom expanded the state of emergency Tuesday in several counties. He also asked President Biden to declare a major disaster for 9 counties: Calaveras, Kern, Los Angeles, Mariposa, Monterey, San Benito, Santa Cruz, Tulare, and Tulumne. Some are already approved for the wave of storms that hit in January, but this will cover flooding, snow, mudslides, and avalanches since February 21st. And Black Californians are owed upwards of $800 billion due to decades of discriminatory and racist practices that set back generations, according to experts tasked to look into the very complicated issue. Governor Gavin Newsom spearheaded efforts starting in 2020 to determine what African Americans in the Golden State might stand to receive if California decides to pay reparations. And this astronomical number is what a group of economists came up with. A task force was formed to study the issue and included state lawmakers. The group focused on 5 key areas: the taking of property by government, the evaluation of black-owned businesses, housing discrimination, mass incarceration, over-policing, and general health. California State Attorney General Rob Bonta and others on the task force explain why reparations are necessary.
Although the horrors of slavery may have begun in the past, its harms are felt every single day by Black Americans in the present.
Some ask us, why in California? Why not somewhere else? Why did we not do it in the South? But we came to understand very clearly that California has the ability and the power to do it.
The current proposal would give every black qualified resident up to $5 million each. And gunned down in broad daylight, a young father and another man, both African Americans, and their murders have not been solved. Their families remain heartbroken, but the reward for the San Francisco double murder is rising. Police are now offering $100,000 for information leading to an arrest. Monday will mark exactly 1 year since 22-year-old Brandon Cheese and 20-year-old Karen Carson were gunned down on a playground in the city's outer Mission District. They were playing basketball with friends. 2 other men were also shot but survived. Police say the car involved was a silver Honda Accord. They're asking anyone with information to please come forward. And that's a look at what's happening around the San Francisco Bay Area. More on these stories and international, national, state, and local news affecting the black community. Listen to the Black Information Network on the iHeartRadio app or log on to BINnews.com. I'm Natasha Williams on your home for 24/7 News, San Francisco's BIN 910.
Want to support your community? Farms is a legal nonprofit committed to assisting and providing legal services to black farms and landowners. Learn how you can help by logging on to 3000acres.org. That's 3000acres.org.
What you need to know. This is where black news comes first.
Bay Area's BIN 910.
A special thank you to CBS Pharmacy,
A proud founding partner who shares and supports the mission of the Black Information Network.
Bill Powell had one goal upon returning from World War II. When Powell was stationed in the United Kingdom as a young black soldier, he became accustomed to playing freely on the lush greens. This all changed when he returned home to Ohio, where his race made him an outcast. With limited equipment and a crew of family members, Powell was able to fulfill his goal by opening the very first black-built, owned, and operated golf course in the United States. Opening in 1948, Clearview got its name from the striking clear view from the area of the old 7th Sea. Clearview has endured decades of intimidation and racism from locals, but none of that has prevented the Powell family from receiving a multitude of honors and awards in the golf industry. In 2021, Clearview celebrates its 75th anniversary and continues to extend its legacy through campaigns, organizations, and initiatives surrounding social justice and civil rights. And that's the fact. I'm Felicia on the Black Information Network. From the women who made history,
The moment that the announcement was made that I was going to make a bid for the presidency, all hell broke loose.
To the women making history right now.
Really fighting for maternal protection. That's something that I feel all female athletes should be able to have contractually.
the Black Information Network celebrates you every month.
But especially during Women's History Month.
The Bay Area Sirius BIN 910 and on the iHeartRadio app. For Verizon, having diverse voices at the table isn't a nice to have. It's something we're dedicated to, moving beyond promises to action, including with the Ad Fellows program. Teaming up with brand partners and agencies, Ad Fellows is proof that together, real impact is possible. A paid 9-month program, Ad Fellows gives diverse talent a chance to put their stamp on big brands by ingraining themselves on brand marketing and agency teams. Working on real marketing campaigns, Ad Fellows help you identify what kind of marketer you want to become. There has never been a more critical time for programs like Ad Fellows.
Right now I need gas. Oh. It's okay, I need gas.